Hey guys, Andrew King here from andrewdoesreviews.com. Welcome to my Clide review. I'm here inside the WordPress dashboard, and today I'm going to give you a full demo and a run through on what this is and how it works. I'm also going to share with you the full details, the pricing, the upsells, and whether you should pick them up or not. And I got you covered with the best bonus package that you can get your hands on if you decided that you want to pick up Clide through my link, which is going to be the first link down below in the description. Now, in a nutshell, Clide is a brand new WordPress plugin that will allow you to find and search for expired domains. Now, how could this help you make money online? Let me just explain. So these expired domains are still getting traffic up until this date. What you can do is you can go ahead and pick up that domain on GoDaddy or Namecheap, and you can redirect that traffic using a 401 redirect. You can redirect it wherever you want. So basically you can buy a domain, for example, in the dog niche or in the health niche, and you can redirect all that traffic to a ClickBank offer and start banking commissions. Another way is you can basically collect leads. You can redirect them to your own opt-in page and start gathering leads and start promoting different affiliate offers. So it's a really cool method that you can leverage to start getting some traffic and hopefully making some commissions. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review. I'm going to break down everything for you. If you'd like to pick up Clide anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Come through to my bonus page, click on one of these red buttons. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Clide. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on. Now, these bonuses are exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you'd like access to Clide, all you have to do is if you'd like access to Clide and all my exclusive bonuses, you have to pick it up through my bonus page. Now, my first bonus is going to be access to Equinox Pro. Equinox is another software launched by John O. Armstrong and Brendan Mays. This software will allow you to do the same functionality, but you can search for expired domains inside of Wikipedia. Plus, you get unlimited searches. So I'm giving you the Pro version, which is currently selling for $67. You can look it up. It's called Equinox Pro. Now, this version will allow you to search Wikipedia articles for expired domains, and you get unlimited searches per month, so you can search as many expired domains as you want. This will allow you to leverage this method and take it even further. This is going to be my first bonus. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you a hack on 3 other monetization strategies to use with Clide. I'm going to show you how to monetize that traffic and start making some sales. Bonus number 3, I'm going to show you how to flip these domains for cash, so you can straight out go ahead and purchase these domains and you can resell them for literally up to 5-10 grand easily. So if the domain is highly recommended or has a high amount of traffic coming to it, let's say 100,000 visitors per month, you can easily sell it for $10,000. I'm going to show you where to flip these domains and how to do that and how to start making piles of cash over and over again. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you access to 7 done for you bonus pages. Now I'm going to give you 7 done for you, fully done for you bonus pages, just like this one right here. You're gonna get as my 4th bonus, you're gonna get 7 of them. Actually, there is more, but let's just say you get 7 done for you bonus pages. I can easily sell this for $37, but you're gonna get this for free as my 4th bonus. My 5th and last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors bonuses. These bonuses are: we have show content specific to your country, sliding content timelines, special BuzzFeed theme for Clide, Clide AdSense Protector, Clide Amazon Booster, Clide AdSense CTR boosting theme, 100 WordPress plugins or premium WordPress themes. We have viral traffic pack, we have auto content machine, and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna go through all of them. As you can see, we have like 24 bonuses. Feel free to pause the video, read about the details of these bonuses. You're gonna get these as well from the vendor, plus you're gonna get all my custom bonuses just for the front end price of 17 bucks. Now let's jump right into the sales page and see the claims made by the vendor before I give you a demo inside the WordPress plugin. So brand new app lets you ethically start hijacking free traffic from YouTube, Wiki, Quora or Quora, Reddit, and more by finding best expired domains. Simply enter the keyword and instantly find expired domains, still getting traffic in lifetime. We have some bullet points here about the product. You scroll down, we have the steps that you need to do. So you need to pick a niche first, then you let Clide do its thing, register the domain, and then redirect the traffic, and you can start enjoying. You can also sell spots on your domain. This is very profitable. So you can sell spots on this domain, and you can literally rent your domain for companies. They will pay you up to $500 per month for a single spot. I think you can host up to 6 or 7 spots onto your domain. So if you get a lot of traffic, this is gonna help you make a lot of money. There's a lot of money to be made here. So basically we have some introduction about the product creator, which is Anirudh Bavra. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing his name wrong, but this is the product creator here. We have some more details. He explains to you how this product is going to help you. I'm not going to go through the whole sales page. Feel free to go through it at your own time. Now let's jump right into the WordPress plugin. Let me show you how it works. First, what you need to do once you install your WordPress plugin, let me just point out, if you don't have a WordPress website, if you buy one of the upsells through me, any upsell you want, you can comment on this video and tell me that you bought an upsell, and I will set up your WordPress website for you. So I will set it up personally, and I will install Clide on it and get you started. All you have to do is pick up one of the upsells and comment on this video, and I will set it up for you. Now let's jump right here. So what you need to do first is you want to go here, click on this and click on dashboard. Then you want to go and watch the training videos first. If you have a problem, you can always contact the support right here. We have the integrations, so you can integrate and configure your YouTube channel. That will allow you to search different expired domains on YouTube. You can also configure your Twitter. You can add your API so that you can also search expired domains on Twitter. Then what you can do is you can go to the search campaign. It's really simple to use. So first you're gonna choose whichever platform that you want to search. So for example, I want to search YouTube, and then you're gonna type in your keyword. So I want to say something like weight loss, and then I'm gonna click on search domain, and as you can see, we don't have any domains here. So let me just type in another keyword. Okay, let me just type in sunset. Let's see if we can search another keyword. As you can see, I searched sunset inside of YouTube, and we have this domain available, which is 52sunset.com. It's available at the price of $85. You can purchase it directly from GoDaddy or Namecheap. We also have sunset-stock-photo.com. This is selling for 40 bucks, and we have sunnysunset.com, which is selling for $210. You can go check them out on GoDaddy or Namecheap. And as you can see, it gives you the details. So these websites are basically worthless because I don't think the sunset niche is very profitable. But basically, we have zero backlinks, zero website rank, zero search volume. So these are pretty much useless. You can search different keywords. So you can go here and you can type in, for example, health. And then you're going to click on search keyword ideas, and the software will give you different keyword ideas right here. So it will show you different related keywords. We have top search topics and top raising topics. It will sort them out right here. So you can search different niches here. For example, we have weight loss. Obviously, I don't have my YouTube channel and Twitter integrated. You have to do that before you come here and search. It's not going to show me any result. Once you integrate your YouTube API and Twitter API, you'll be able to search up right here. And once you search, you're going to grab relevant keywords and you want to go to search campaigns and search different relevant keywords. Then we have search channels, so you can directly search inside of YouTube channels. So for example, I'm gonna type in weight loss and then I'm gonna click on search. So it's gonna give me different expired domains, but as you can see, most of them are not available. We have this one, which is available, weightlosstransform.com. This is really good. You can go ahead and grab this domain and search if it has any authority, and if it has, you can go and purchase it on GoDaddy or Namecheap, and you can resell it or retarget all that traffic coming to the domain. This is really good. We also have this one, healthyweights-loss.com. Again, you can grab this domain and you can search if it has any page authority or domain authority. You can resell it or you can retarget the traffic. Now this was the software. Everything I just showed you is going to cost you 17 bucks. You get 20 keywords per day and you get to search up to 10 authority site research. We have includes list building functionality with opt-ins that sync in with any autoresponder from expired domain. Includes landing pages, affiliate links, and ads optimization and step-by-step video training. Upsell number one is going to be the unlimited version for $37. You can save yourself $37 because I got you covered in my first bonus. Let me just show you how to claim my bonuses real quick. So you want to go to your Warrior Plus dashboard. You want to hover over your username. Let me just sign in real quick. So once you are inside your Warrior Plus dashboard, you want to hover over your username and click on Purchase History. Once you do that, you're gonna be able to search for your receipt. So you're gonna search your receipt for Clide. Once you click on your receipt, you're gonna find the blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonuses. Just click on it and you'll be able to access all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly. Once you pick up the front end, including Equinox Pro, that will save you the hassle of picking up the Upsell number one, which is gonna be the unlimited version. So I gave you Equinox, which is the same exact software, plus you can search Wikipedia for expired domains. This is the pro version, so you get unlimited searches per month. So you definitely don't need the Upsell number one. Upsell number two is gonna be Evergreen, or the Clide Evergreen, for $47. You get content builder, you get content spinner integration. We have the auto search as per your set keyword or niche. We have reminder feature that will remind you about your expired domains. You can search domains with Google Trend. We have spy on YouTube channels. Those are not having domains. Acquire their domains and get instant profit. So this is a really cool upsell, which is the evergreen one. I would highly recommend you to go for this upsell. Upsell number 3 is going to be the done for you site. So you get 5 done for you domain research with automated content or video websites on the fastest way that anyone can make passive income. So this one, I think it's a bit overpriced. I know you get 5 done for you domain research, but for $67, you definitely don't need that. I'm gonna show you how to flip these domains, how to find profitable domains and flip them. So you can skip the upsell number 3. Upsell number 4 is gonna be the full excuse me, I can't speak English today for some reason. So Clide agency, it's gonna cost you $97. You're gonna get fully function Clide software for your customers with dashboard, set up with the pricing. So this is basically reseller rights, and you can sell up to 250 accounts. So basically you get to sell Clide as your own and keep 100% of the commissions. You get to sell it to over 250 clients for the price of $97. This is a no-brainer for me because usually license rights or agency rights cost anywhere from $197 up to $297. This is like $97. I would highly recommend you to go for this. So this was my review. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.